Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I'm about to show you guys how to make this easy, quick, one skillet meal. Okay, so it's just lamb and broccoli. But first, just to explain everything to you guys. First, I season my meat and the broccoli, and then I put it in the skillet on high heat. And I flipped my lamb after 5 minutes. So like 5 minutes on each side. You just saute your broccoli, and you can do everything in one skillet, one pot. And it's so good, and it's so quick, and I feel like it's kind of healthy too. Okay, and also you guys, can you donate to my channel, please? I have my cash app below, and I appreciate any donations. $1, $2, $3, $4. Like, it doesn't have to be a lot. I really appreciate it. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day.